Uh, yeah, yeah, I'm pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. I told my mom I'm sorry. Yeah, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. I know mom sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm back in it. Once again, you thought you was real, but you beat the man. I'm in this junk like a soldier. Fuck y'all niggas that know it. My name is Lil Steph. Hey, I don't give a F. Big Boss Steph, you know my game. I ain't no lame. I'm just saying. I'm just recording every day on my lyrics and on my thing. I like my freestyle. It releases up my feelings, demonstrations. Yeah, I don't really got to do no demonstrations. I don't do nothing for you. I'm the boss, you the employee. You do what I say, and I'm the last man you don't feed. I'm the last man of the feet. I'm the last guy you see. Girl, I'm up there every day in the 24 and 11, and I'm spraying down your house with AK-40 every 7. And if your ass dissing, man, you know where I'm at. SPV, sell part of you, that's come with us back. Okay, now I'm a young nigga out here trying to get this money and chasing all these bad junks and honeys. Yeah, you know what it is, and I ain't set. Pulling up in that Rari, you know where I'm at. Yeah, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. You know I'm sorry. Yeah, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that. I told my mom I'm sorry. Yeah, pulling up in that Rari. Pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. I told my mom I'm sorry. Okay, I pulled up in that Rari, and I bet you looking sorry. I told my mom it's about time me to grow up with a Rari, with them bad jumps in that house. I said I'ma kick her out with that. I'ma hit her one time and gon' kick her out. Pull up, skirt to your girl favorite crib. She know that's me, light skin with the heel. A girl mail soon. They seen my brown eyes. And I don't even got a second skies. Yeah, I'm dunking in that pussy like LeBron James. And you fuck niggas just lying, you can't even hang. I'm killing shit like Stewie off a Family Guy. And I ain't even got it, I'm just down the ride, pulling up in that Rari. Yeah, I told my mom I'm sorry, but I'm back in it again. I ain't even trying to sin, and if I ever sin, Lord forgive me. I'm just trying to make it somewhere and be on TV, cause I'm pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. I told my mom I'm sorry. Pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. I told my mom I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm pulling up in that Rari. I bet you looking sorry, cause I was with your chick. You know she love this dick. And now I'm back, I'm playing with the team. I'm the number one defensive end. What's I'm saying? I'm the defensive end, and you the quarterback. I'm sacking. As soon as I sack that nigga, his bricks gonna fall out. His band's gonna fall out. I'm gonna rob him from his clout. And I'm just back in again, pulling up in that Rari. Yeah, yeah, and I know you sorry. Yeah, cause I pulled up in a Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. Rari, mom, I told my mom I'm sorry. Yeah, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. I told my mom I'm sorry. Yeah, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. Pulling up in that Rari, I told my mom I'm sorry. Now, mom, I'm sorry. I had to pull up that Rari to begin. I had to come up from a young. I can't be all be a kid. I can't be your baby boy, and I gotta grow up. And when I find a bad chick, I'm a wife and say what's up, man. I was just kidding about saying fuck all these hoes, cause one nigga out there need love just like every other. And I ain't even tripping. I'm pulling up in a Rari. And if I ever catch my mama, tell her I say I'm sorry. Pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari. Pulling up in that Rari, I told my mom I'm sorry. Pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, pulling up in that Rari, I told my mom I'm sorry. I'm out. Gang, Steph on Big Boss.